Díomh agus fáilte go dtí Seagrave Barns an seo I Gundé Lú. Hello and welcome to Seagrave Barns here in gorgeous County Louth. Is mise Dervla agus Thom an seo le chéile a bheagán le mo chlan. I'm Dervla and my family and I are going to have a bit of a céilí, and we thought it would be fun for you guys to join in with us from the comfort and safety of your cocoon. Seo Oisín, seo Katie, seo Ferdia agus seo Ciara, and playing a few tunes for us today, tá Aidan agus Kevin. So, mums, dads, smallies and teenagers, hop up on the floor, let's have a bit of crack and do some céilí dancing le chéile. This is a dance called the Stacks of Barley or Stacking Orna, and it's a two-hand dance in hornpipe time. We start it, as you can see, in waist hold. Dancers have their arms around each other's waist. The lady has her hand on the gent's shoulder. The gent is always on the lady's left. So we start by doing advance and retire. Our dancers take 3 steps forward, hop 1, hop 2, hop 1, 2, 3. And then they back it up. Hop back, 2, 3. Do that again. Hop 1, hop 2, hop 1, 2, 3, and back up again. Hop 2, hop back, 2, 3. Now our dancers are going to go into a waltz hold. And we're going to go around the house. It could be around the kitchen island. So let's go. Hop 1, 2, 3. Hop 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3, and start again. And we start the whole dance again from the top. So you're doing advance and retire twice, and then round the house. It's as easy as that. So let's take it away, lads. Excellent stuff. Phew, the majilig thurshook in Yeshin. We're all tired after that. Well, let's take a little rest and let the professionals take over. Here is the Roddy Irish Dance Company. Wow, super fast feet there from Orna, Gareth, Katie and the Roddy Irish Dance Company. Now let's get back to work and have some fun with an old favourite called Shoe the Donkey. This is a dance again for couples and the lady is on the right. We take crossed hands in front and we take step forward, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Again, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Repeat again, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. And again, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Then it just gets a little bit quicker and we go hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. And we repeat this lots of times. Hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. You do it 8 times. 2, 3, turn. Hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. Hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. And then the dance starts all over again. So you have to watch out when the music gets faster that you can turn and not fall on the floor. So when you're ready, lads, take it away. 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, hop, 1, 2, 3, turn. You at home can take a rest and let the pros take to the floor. Fantastic dancing there from the Roddy Irish Dance Company. Now, maybe this is one you learned at school, maybe you've never done it before, but the Walls of Limerick or Ballylimney is an old firm favourite. This is ordinarily a progressive dance in real time for 4 people, but for the purposes of Céilí and your Cocoon, we're going to dance it in 2 couples. Dancers take hands and they advance and retire 2 steps in, advance and retire back. Repeat that again, advance and retire back again. Now, the ladies are going to exchange places, doing face-to-face 7s, and 2 1 2 3s in place, and then the gents do exactly the same thing. And 2 1 2 3s in place. Ordinarily, dancers would give right hand to opposite, but again, for the purpose of this, we're just going to sidestep away from our partners. Jump 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 1 2 3s in place, and back to your partner. 2 1 2 3s in place. Partners are going to take crossed hands now, and they're going to do a Céilí swing around the other couple. Away you go. 1 2 3, 2 2 3, 3 2 3 4, 8 beats. 5 6 7, and then you start all over again. Mind the furniture with that Céilí swing. So, dancing Walls of Limerick. Here we have Clanny Linnon. Take it away, lads. Well, we hope you all enjoyed your Céilí and your Cocoon. We know it's not the usual social Céilí dance experience, but Lacuna J will be ag dausa Céilí Linar Garja again soon, or dancing a Céilí with our friends again soon. Banachti na féle Podrick, Slán!